Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have a super exciting reveal for you. I'm going to be unboxing my Cartier gift to myself. This is for my birthday later this month, and I am just super excited to finally unbox this. I'm gonna be good. I am gonna unbox it now for you guys just because I want to show you what I got, but I'm not actually gonna wear it till after my birthday later this month. So here is the bag. So I did buy this a few weeks ago, mostly just because I think once I've decided what I'm gonna get for my birthday, especially if it's something a little bit more on the splurgy side, and if I have the funds, like I definitely just want to go ahead and get it as soon as possible. So I have been sitting on this for a while, and then my sales associate was super sweet and also gifted me a box of chocolates for my birthday, and these are long gone. These were so delicious. So here's the beautiful red shopping bag. I have the travel pouch here, and here is my receipt. Here is the beautifully wrapped box. It does have the seal here and here. Oh my God, are you guys ready? I almost don't even want to unbox this. Is that weird? I don't know, does anyone else feel this way? Like there's actually a small part of me that wants to put off the unboxing for a little bit longer if that sounds crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm super excited to see this again. I haven't seen this piece in a while, so bear with me. I don't want to rip this, so I may need to just fast forward through this part. And here we have box number 1. To reveal, box number 2. Here it is. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Ugh, so excited. And to reveal, the Just clou in the small size with diamonds. I don't know if that will focus, so I will definitely insert photos so you guys can see it in a little bit more detail. It is so stunning. This is in the pink gold, and I am so excited to have this. The small version with diamonds was released this past fall, I believe. I think it was in September, and then they had a price increase shortly after that. And the small version, at least last I checked, was not currently available on the website. It was for a while, and then they kind of took it off. It might come back on again. When I asked my sales associate about it, she said it's because this particular version, the small version with the diamonds, has been so popular that they can't keep it in stock on the website. So if you do want to get this particular version and it's not available on the website, it's not because it's been discontinued. It's just that you need to go into the store. I recommend making an appointment through the website or calling them and making an appointment with your local boutique. And then that way you can also go in and try on the different sizes, which is what I did. And then if you are interested in purchasing it, they will need to order it for you. And it took me about 2 weeks before it was able to come in. So here it is. And just to show you guys what else came in the bag is, I believe this is the certificate of authenticity. Let's see here. Yep, it comes in this beautiful red little folder. And yes, this is the certificate of authenticity. And it also comes with a cleaning kit. Unfortunately, my box is a little bit damaged right here. I think this is my fault because I had been carrying a lot of stuff that day on my way home from the store. So luckily it's just this part that's damaged and not the box of the bracelet. But here is the cleaning kit. And so I don't really mind so much that this box is damaged just because I'm going to be using this to clean the bracelet, and eventually I won't need the box anymore. But again, here it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna try it on. So here is what the bracelet looks like on me. Let me check the size again because I don't quite remember. This is the size 15, and I definitely wanted something that was a little bit more of a snugger fit just so it wouldn't move around as much. And this is what the pink gold looks like. The pink and yellow gold are very similar, but I decided to go with pink. I just felt like it suited my skin tone a little bit better. And I am right-handed, so I would love to hear you guys' opinion. This is my first time that I have really invested in a bracelet. So I would love to know your guys' opinion. If you are right-handed, do you wear it on your left hand where your watch is, or do you keep it on your right hand? And if so, does it bother you when you are writing or typing or doing anything else? So I haven't quite decided yet. I may just move it onto this hand. Also, I'd love to know your guys' opinion as well. I have this vintage Cartier watch. So this is actually passed down to me from my mother. She purchased this in the early 80s, I believe. So this is very vintage. I did get get the strap replaced in the last couple years because the first strap, the leather on it had just been like super worn and it started tearing a little bit. And this is in like let me just take it off for you guys so you can see. This is in almost like a brown, dark brown, almost a burgundy watch band, and then the face of it, the metal around it, is definitely a bright yellowish gold. So do you guys feel like this would clash? Let me also put it on my left arm so you guys can see it, and let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should wear this bracelet on my right arm, or do you think I should wear it on my left? Do you think it looks okay like this, or do you guys think it looks better with the watch closer to my hand and then the bracelet a little bit below that? Or do you think I should just keep it on my right hand? Let me know what you guys think of that. And then to show you guys a little bit closer. All right, guys, so that is my big reveal for my birthday. I did also purchase just a few smaller things for myself that I may show you guys at a later date, but this is definitely the big splurge for my birthday this year. I'm not necessarily sure that I will get the love bracelet, to be honest. The love bracelet is not necessarily something that I do like it on other people. I don't know how I feel about wearing it myself, especially because I definitely do like to take my jewelry off at the end of the day. And for the love bracelet, I know you have to kind of keep it on. I'm not going to say never, but I don't think that's necessarily high on my wish list right now, but eventually I think I would like to add maybe like 1 or 2 other pieces here. So what would you guys add to this? I've been looking at Van Cleef, I've been looking at Tiffany's, there are a few other places I've been looking at, but yeah, I am definitely venturing into fine jewelry now. I don't think I want to have more than 3, but I think I would like to add 1 or 2 more bracelets in the future. So let me know what you guys think would go with this one. And again, this is the small juste clou with the diamonds. And it is hollow on the inside. So that is why there's no clasping mechanism here. It is just bendy in the sense that you have to like take it off. And this is gonna take me some practice, to be honest, but you do kind of have to bend it like that to get it on and off. So basically I had wanted this as soon as I saw it come out into the stores in the past fall. YouTube blew up. So many people were getting this. Once that came out, I was like, yes, this is definitely what I want to get for my birthday in March. And then unfortunately, there was a price increase in October. And I believe the price for this before tax was $4,500. I don't know if there's going to be another price increase in the future. I have no idea what their schedule is for price increases, but I did want to go ahead and just purchase it before it went up again, which may or may not happen sometime this year. I did try on some of the rings as well, but I don't know. I just, for some reason, really love the bracelet. The rings, they do have the diamond version, but it's diamond all the way around, and that was a little too blingy for me. And then the regular size juste clou ring is just also a little too thick. I like my jewelry to be like very dainty, so the small version, and this is just a rumor, but my sales associate was like, given how popular the small version with the diamonds for the bracelet is, she said that she would not be surprised if in the future Cartier came out with a small version of the ring with the diamonds in the same pattern as this one. So just on the nail head and on the nail tip. If that were to ever come out, then I definitely want that for sure. I will jump on it as soon as possible. But the current ones they have with the diamonds, I just felt like were either a little too blingy or a little too thick for my taste. So I'll just wait and see. I'm definitely in no hurry to spend more money right now. Yeah, so that is sort of the story about how I decided to order this. Here it is again. Let me know what you guys think of this beauty. I am just so excited and really excited to have this in my collection. I just think it's so dainty. The diamonds just add that little special something to me, and I don't think that they're too in your face, which is what I like about it. It is very delicate and very feminine, which is sort of how I like my jewelry anyway. That's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or if I missed anything, and I will do my best to respond. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!